Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial, we'll solve student and examination problem from LeetCode's top 50 SQL questions. So in this tutorial, we'll learn how to use cross join, left join to generate all possible student subject pair and count how many exam each student attended per subject. So I'll read this question and explain you uh, the summary of this question. So we have given, so we can see there is three table: student, subject, and examination. In student, there is column name type. Column name is basically student ID, and which is an integer data type. Student name, which is a varchar. So student ID is the primary key column with unique values. We know primary key for this table. So each row of this table contain the ID and the name of one student in the school. Similarly, we have given a subject table. So here subject name is a varchar data type. So it is a primary key for this table. Each row of this table contain the name of one subject in the school. Similarly, examination table is given. Student ID is integer data type, and subject name is a varchar. So there is no primary key for this table. It may contain duplicates. Each subject from student table takes every course from the subject table. Each row of this table indicate that a student with a student ID attended the exam of subject name. So basically, what is telling in this question? So we have given three tables: student, subject, examination, and we have to return the number of time each student attended exam in each subject, even they didn't appear for a particular subject. So I think, yeah. So you can see Bob has not appeared for physics exam, but still it is present in the attended exam table. It's zero. Okay. So so we'll discuss. It is a very good problem, and here multiple concepts will be covered. Like we use cross join for generate all student subject pair. We'll use left join to retain record even if no exam entry exists. We'll use group by function, count function, order by, and many more. You can see in SQL. So let's start writing SQL. So let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So firstly, we'll select the table, select student ID. One second, I can use LIs for this because multiple tables are there. So there will be confusion. So we'll use LIs for that. So student as dot student ID as dot student name uh, and SU for subject. LIs for subject name. And we'll use count function for counting the number of exam that it appeared. So we'll use ELIs for exam. So subject name uh, as attended sorry exams. So now from student table for which we are using S as alias, and we'll cross join this with subject where I use SU as an alias for that, and left join on examinations E can where I use E as alias for examination on S dot student ID is equal to examination table. In examination table is student ID, and uh, we are using subject table also. So SU dot subject name is equal to E dot subject name, and we'll use group by function. I'll explain you after writing the code. So S dot student ID, sorry, student ID, S dot student name, and SU dot subject name. And lastly, we'll use order by function for the required order that we have to present in our output. Sorry, student ID subject dot subject name. So let's run this. Oh, there is an error. Wait. Yeah, I have mistakes from few places. So you can see students, and I missed the S here. also here. Uh, Let me check. Yeah, no, it's fine. Let's run. Yeah, it's successfully running. So let's submit this. Yeah, it's successfully submitted also. So it's a very good problem on SQL 50 lead code. So that's it. So if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more lead code SQL tutorials. Thank you.